Hi, this is Watersnake 101 and let me share with you our 3 days, 2 nights tour at Puerto Princessa Palawan. We booked our tour with Quinto Travel and Tours that cost us around 13,200 pesos per person, inclusive of airfare, hotel accommodation, lunch and breakfast, and tour of Puerto Princessa. We requested Marian Hotel as our accommodation, as we have read a lot of good reviews about the hotel. Also, the hotel will be picking you up and taking you back to the airport. Since we arrived early, the hotel stored our belongings for safekeeping. And while waiting for check-in time, you could go to the city and have breakfast first and go to the mall.
Let me introduce myself first. Magpapakilala muna ako syempre. So I'm your tour guide for today's video. My name is Cynthia Laster at your service. And of course, let's meet my partner, Kuya Loloy. Say hi! Hi! Of course, our itinerary for today, we have the Crocodile Farm or Butterfly Garden. You have the Mitra's Lodge, Baker's Hill, souvenir shop is also included. And then Puerto Princessa Palawan, Plaza Hotel, and Immaculate Conception.
You have an option to choose to visit either Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center or the Butterfly Garden. Our tour guide Miss Cynthia suggested the Butterfly Garden as it also includes visiting a tribal village. Here you will see hunting tools and musical instruments from the Palawan tribe.
Instruments. Okay, so they said they call this gimbal native drum of the tribe. So it's made of hollywood that they carve, and then on top it's covered with animal skin. It's cow skin. So in the souvenir shop you can see there the drum with lizard skin on the top.
After the performance, you could visit the souvenir shop, and here you could purchase handcrafted souvenirs from the Palawan tribe. also endemic animals here from Palawan, showcased at the Butterfly Garden.
Oh, shoot. Palawan haircut. So, actually, kung naaamoy niyo po yung amoy pinipig, sila yun. Nandito naman po si Promo Marty. Yes, ma'am. Natanggal na po siya, syempre.
Buhay talaga yan.
Yes. Touch me gently.
Parang bato.
Yes, yan din, ma'am. So actually, there are three. Hanapin niyo pa yung isa.
Ano yan?
Yeah, this one.
3 insects.
Wow.
Ito, 1, 2, 3.
They look like me.
Ayun, oh.
Hindi po. It's a leaf insect. They look like me. Actually, ma'am and sir, they are using their mimicking from their, yung mga kumakain sa kanila, sir, mga predators. They're using that one. Sir, actually, this is the living room for one na katunayan. We have a stick insect. Hanapin niya, ma'am, sir.
Now for just a quick stop is Mitra's Ranch. Here you could get a view of Honda Bay, which we will be going to on our last day. Part of itinerary is Baker's Hill. Known for the best hopia and other pasalubong in town, it is also a great place for the kids to play. Also don't miss to see the peacocks at Baker's Hill. we will be visiting the historical Plaza Cuartel. Built as a garrison during the Spanish colonial era, it has been turned into a plaza and a constant reminder of the tragic events and cruelty of war.
Kapag nagpapalitan ng bomba yung mga Japanese and American. Pero natakpan na po siya dahil matagal na panahon na rin po. Titingnan ko lang, papakita ko lang. So ngayon, lalagyan na lang po ng mga tools. Panglinis. So ito po, isa rin po ito actually sa mga kulungan ng mga American prisoners of war. Dito sila nilalagay ng Japanese kapag may kasalanan sila. Ito po. Huwag lang po tayong tutungo ha, kasi baka po mahulog na po. Yan po. Ito sitting daanan before. Dito sa underground prison. Tumatago yung mga during the bombing. Yes, but for now ma'am, there is no way going underground. Yeah.
As for our final stop, just near Plaza Cuartel is the Immaculate Conception Cathedral, also known as Puerto Princessa Cathedral. Since it was a Sunday, we were unable to visit the inside of the church. Since we had a very long day, what better way to end day one but to eat at one of the most popular restaurants in Puerto Princesa, the Bajau Seafront Restaurant, a restaurant that should not be missed when visiting Puerto Princesa. Be sure to try their sopas de mariscos and their seafood platter. hope you enjoyed day 1 of our Puerto Princesa tour and hope to see you again for day 2. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.